Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Pathfinder. Getting locked out of your vehicle can be frustrating, but there are several straightforward ways to regain access. We will cover everything from using your standard key fob to more manual methods for those tricky situations. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to handle a lockout calmly and efficiently, ensuring you can get back on the road without unnecessary stress or delay. Let's dive into the details. The most common and easiest way to unlock your Nissan Pathfinder is by using your key fob. Simply press the unlock button once or twice to open the doors. If your key fob battery is low, or if you prefer, you can always use the physical key. Insert the key into the driver's side door lock cylinder, usually found behind a small cover, and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. This method is reliable and works even if your vehicle's battery is completely dead. When your key fob isn't working and the physical key isn't an option, manual entry methods might be necessary. For safety and to prevent damage, contacting a professional roadside assistance service is highly recommended. They have specialized tools, like a wedge and a long-reach tool, to safely open your door without causing harm. Attempting to use a slim gym or coat hanger yourself can be risky and potentially scratch paint or damage internal wiring, so proceed with extreme caution. What if your Pathfinder's battery is dead, or you've lost your key entirely? If the car battery is dead, your key fob won't work, but the physical key will still manually unlock the driver's door. Once inside, you can jump-start the vehicle. If your key is lost, contact a Nissan dealership. They can cut and program a new key for you using your vehicle's identification number, ensuring you regain full access and functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.